Hi, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. You're like, back? This is my first time here. Well, then what's good, baby? Nice to meet you. My name is Diana. I love to be silly. I love to have a good time. I love to get ready. And I love to make you laugh. So if you want to be loved on, then come on over here. I'm drinking this banana water. I didn't even know this was a thing. It is actually so yummy. No, it's actually really good. I was gonna get a coconut water. I went to this organic store, but they had this one and I was like, you know what? I've never tried banana water. Let me try it. And actually I find it very yummy. And it has electrolytes, no added sugars, nothing. It's just natural flavor. So good. This one is made a product of Thailand. So yummy. So right now I'm getting ready. I just finished. Let me show you. I just finished getting my retouch on my tattoo. I love it so much. Let me see. I think we're a little, just like a little crooked. Are we good? We're good to go. So we're gonna start getting ready. I am going to meet with my accountant. We're gonna go over a few more things, and then I have pretty much the whole day. I think I'm gonna go shoot some content, and I'm also, what else am I gonna do? Oh, I'm gonna hang out with my girlfriend Johanna. I'm so excited to see her. I love her so much. So we're just gonna get started. I'm getting ready here at the studio. I'm chilling, still not working, and it feels wonderful. Well, this is work. This is fun. So I'm gonna start with this Refi brow pencil. I love this one. I love it because it's so creamy and it's so thin, and a little goes a long way, especially if you have really full brows. You literally only need a few strokes. I'm like, you only ever need a few strokes, sweetie. So I really love this one. And what else is there to say? No, I literally got my brows threaded a bit ago too. I got my brows threaded, my face. I look and feel wonderful. I've done laser on my face, and honestly, the joys of being Mexicana. Just hairy, what can I say? So that's fun. But yeah, I did some threading on my face and I love it. It feels great. And then now I'm gonna go in with this brow laminating gel from L'Oreal, and it's going to make it look like I have a lamy. I think I am gonna do a lamy probably tonight, or maybe tomorrow actually, because I just started me. My skin is a little sensitive, so I have to wait when I do my lammies. But anyways, that's me, chat. Okay, brows on point. I did like Japanese hair massage thing yesterday. So like my hair is so freaking grasosa and I hate it. I was gonna curl it and I'm like, it looks gross, so I just put it up. Anyways, I just feel like I had to excuse the hair. We are going to prime face. I am gonna start off with my first layer being the Danessa Myricks, her wet blurring balm. So I'm gonna go in with the Danessa Myricks blurring balm as my base, and then on top of that I'm gonna use this water powder serum. Like, it's good for like mattifying, and oh my gosh, it says do not shake this at the bottom. Like, it's good for mattifying, and so I'm gonna use this as my first layer. I like this together. I love the quality. Thick mama, and I will say I already prepped my face with my skincare, so we are good to go. Can you guys believe these are my natural nails? They are so poppin'. Long, I was like, oh my gosh, I can't film if my nails are broken, or if one missing, or if this is that, or if they don't look like this. And now that they're natural, I'm just like, oh, why am I even tripping? Who cares? Like, anyways, here I am. I like this one. I will say I'm not the biggest fan of the packaging. This one, I'm gonna focus it mostly on my T-zone because it's like a liquid. Like, that is great enough on its own. Baby, you're on my channel. I'm extra. So I'm gonna go in with this one size primer that I actually really love as well. And I'm gonna focus that one for sure on my T-zone and then spread it out wherever else I need to. Got a second to dry. I have to do this? No, but I have the time today, so I'm gonna do it, okay? Don't be so hard on yourself, sweetheart. It's just makeup. It just feels like tacky enough. I'm gonna go in with the Until Dawn setting spray. I love this one. I love dying when I apply it. it just feels wonderful vibes. Okay, next, what are we going in with? Foundation. Oh my goodness, please do not cancel me for using this Charlotte Tilbury. This is my favorite foundation ever. I heard she's very controversial online right now. No sé qué hizo la señora. I think she's like to say like flashing dupes. No one owns nothing in this world. The Lord is the creator and owner of everything. So calmate. I'm gonna use this one. This is in the shade 7 Warm. I love this foundation. I haven't found something I love compared to this, the Airbrush Flawless one. But if you have a recommendation, I'm open to trying new things. I love new foundations. I did like the Huda Beauty one. That one was cool, but I didn't repurchase it. I did try the House Labs. I didn't really care for that one. Oh, I do love the Makeup Forever new one. That one is really good, but that one is not the same type of coverage as this. I want something like coverage like this. This brush is from It Cosmetics. It's just like their buffing brush, their foundation brush. Literally some of the most best brushes I've ever used. And I wash my brushes so they just smell so good. I love it. Honestly, I do love my foundation more warm. I don't care. Yeah, I don't care. Meeting is gonna be like 1:20, but it's just across the street, and right now it's 12:18. So I think we're doing great. I'm gonna play music. Dile que soy mejor que. Love me some Fabo. Papa. I'm going to use these two bronzers. This is the Chanel or the Dior mood. This is the Dior stick. The Dior Forever Skin Bronzer in number 2. I think I could have used number 3, but it's okay. And then this is from Say. That's how you say it. This one is this medium bronze. So I'm just going to go in with a little bit of cream. And then for my concealer, I'm going to use the Hourglass concealer. This one is in Fawn. So do a little bit of that. So I just set my concealer with the Laura Mercier Ultra Blur Translucent Powder, and I didn't realize I only literally brought one blush with me. Great. So for my bronzer, I'm going to use another one. This is Deep Rosy by MAC. Love this one. And then I'm going to go in with Raisin as my blush. This one is broken, so it's going to be a hot mess. But I'm just going to bronze up again with that. I'm so sick of missing you. Cause I'm so sick of missing you. Oh my gosh. How lame. I have to go buy a blush. There's no way. I don't even know what miracle I just pulled off with my blush because it's a long story. I don't even want to talk about it. I messed up on my blush. Whatever. This is what happens when I'm not in my space getting ready, but it's okay. I'm going to start my eyes. I'm going to go in with this Natasha Denona palette. I love this palette. It's so easy. I think you could create any looks. I'm thinking literally. I'm literally thinking of just warming it up. I have 4 brushes for eyes today. My top, this is all you need. This is a flat brush, so this will help with any pigments or anything I want. This is, I'm going to focus it mostly on my crease. This is for any small details on outer corner or inner corner, and this is just to fluff it and blend it all together. But this is going to be my main brush that I'm going to focus on my crease, and I'm going to start with this 3rd color right here because I think it's a perfect transition shade. The focus, I think it's a perfect transition shade, so I am start doing the windshield wiper motions on my eyes and my crease. Now I'm gonna go in with that bigger fluffy brush that has nothing on it, and now I'm gonna use it to blend again.
Like I'm crazy on my niggas.
And now with that darker brown, I'm just focusing it outer corner to mid crease, but nothing crazy. And for my lid, I'm gonna go in with this second color right here. As you could tell, my favorite color. And I'm just gonna pack it onto a flat brush. Same concept. And then whatever's excess, I'm just gonna go back into the crease so that that color looks more natural. I want people to think these are my unnatural eyes. And then for liner, I'm gonna go in with this Makeup by Mario. I think I'm gonna do a wing with a cat eye, and I'm not gonna be able to talk, so just watch me. Thank you. All right, we're doing lashes. We're gonna do our Dell 257s. That's what I have with me. They could also not be 257s. They're just in the case. I don't know, but I'm gonna wear these. I cut them a little bit. I cut the ends off. I already put 2 layers of glue. When they're new, I do like to apply 2 layers of glue just to make them extra tacky so that they're not coming off later. Usually I could tell if they need another layer, and these ones do, especially on the inner corner, so bear with me. And now that glam is on, we're gonna do our lip combo now. I'm gonna go in with this brown from Sephora. I have this one is 141, and I'm gonna focus this mostly on my lip line. My next color is from MAC. This one is in Rural, and I'm gonna place it over that. And then I'm going to go in with this Sephora color again. This one is 99, and I'm just going to focus in the middle. And lastly, I'm just going to go in with a lip balm. I feel like any works. This is just like a lip plumper. And then I'm going to set my face lastly with this One Size spray again. I did use this in between for a powder mist. I'm not sure if I did record it, but I did help to melt all my product. So that's the look for today. Now I'm gonna go meet up with my accountant, and I will see you guys later. Bye. I'm over here trying to get a haircut.